We're here in Bosnia today celebrating a distribution partnership with a company called Simimpex, who are also part of the LKQ company. Today they're also celebrating 20 years in business, along with a really lavish opening ceremony of their brand new head office in Banja Luka. So we've been networking with people all over the world here at this event, but we're mainly here for Simimpex to teach their staff and also show all of the customers how good our machines are at cleaning carbon and cleaning DPF machines, and how fantastic the products really are. So hopefully you guys can see the benefits of being a distributor and how we've put so much support into developing their business and the partnership with ourselves. If you're interested in becoming a distributor for your country, please do get in touch.